Hello, this is Sarabeth's limited edition farm. See these horses? They're not normal. So, the black one at the end, right here, that one is famine. Next one is war. The middle one is the unicorn. Next to that is death. And next to that is pestilence. Yeah. These are some fine horses. So please take a look. You know where I'm at. Oh, anybody that has the unicorn? Okay, I'm using one hand here. So, look, I wonder if you noticed that or not. They have really different feet. See? So yeah, there you go. So contact me. Thank you. Bye.